Hi guys, what's up? It's Bella. Welcome back to my channel if you're brand new. I have my beautiful mother filming with me today, and we're gonna be filming a huge, massive, just really big Louis Vuitton haul. We've got 6 packages to unbox for you guys, full of beautiful, wonderful goodies. I've just done a lot of videos on my channel of Louis Vuitton unboxing, what's in my purse, those sort of videos. If you guys want to see those, I'll link them all down below. And I also am doing so many more because you guys know I'm a designer fashion queen. I love it, and so I have so many more on the way for you guys that are so exciting. I've got a lot of tricks up my sleeve coming in May. So I am going to have every product linked down below, and we'll do our best to describe it well to you guys. There's a lot, so we're gonna go ahead and get into it. If you're new to my channel and you love luxury videos, lifestyle videos, faith integrated videos, I'd love for you to subscribe, stick around, like this video, follow my Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok, and all that fun stuff. And let's go ahead and get started into this video. Also, if you're new to my channel and you have not met my mom, this is Kirigami.
Hello.
She is a cool 30 years old. And actually that wouldn't make sense. I think you're 40. You're 40. Okay. She's 40 in my head.
I'll take it.
And she is from Iran. She's an exotic queen, so this is my mom. So where should we start? Here? Yeah. And we're gonna start from the top and break it down. Got scissors. I actually don't even think you need scissors with this because they have like that pulley tab. Yes. So pull the tab right here.
Ready?
Yeah. halfway. Let's see.
Yeah, that's not cool. Whoops.
Woo! Da, 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 da. Yeah. Actually, I have no idea what this is. Also, shout out. We gotta shout out Heba real quick. Heba is our client advisor, but she's also one of our really good friends, and we love her so much, and she works at Tampa International Mall. I love her. She is the reason we get all the bags that we want and all the items. She relentlessly goes and finds them. She has gotten me one bag that was like really high, and very much so it was the last one in the country, and she got it. It was the denim one that I just showed in my designer bag collection, which you guys should go watch. So yeah, that was pretty crazy. So we did get a few items. I think there's 2 items that are the exact same because we twin with everything we get.
Almost everything, not everything.
Almost everything. Like 85%. So I don't know what this is.
Oh my goodness. This is one of those. I'm gonna close my eyes. Oh, it feels so tiny. Oh, it smells so good.
It's so cute.
Oh my goodness.
You guys.
It's like a baby Louis.
It is so cute. This is from the new Spring in the City collection.
So tiny.
And I just did another full dedicated video on more items from this collection, but this is the khaki color that just came out, and I wasn't fancying too much of this khaki color, but this purse stole me. It's a Speedy. This one is adorable.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, so this like little thing.
Look.
Yep.
Oh
You put this on the outside of the purse if you want.
Okay.
It's got a strap.
We need some training here. How do you do the strap?
This is just, let's give a little close up first.
gosh,
So it's the khaki, and then it has the white, and then it's like inverse on the sides. It is perfect. This is the Speedy Purse. There's also another,
I think that's the
inside of it. Are these the locks?
The locks.
These are definitely the locks.
Oh, how cute.
Oh my god, yes. These are the locks.
Oh my gosh, they're so
And
cute.
the padlock is in here. That is my first Speedy that I have.
Look how cute going out.
It's adorable. I really love the colors. This is perfect for fall and winter, and also the white really brightens it. I love the gold hardware. It's really nice hardware, and it is a perfect like little purse.
It's a great neutral.
It is a good neutral.
And there's the strap.
There you go.
Oh my goodness.
And now it's like a crossbody or a shoulder bag.
Adorable.
This is perfect. I love this bag a lot.
Me too.
Congratulations. I actually just did a designer bag collection, and I told you guys that I was getting more very soon. And so, yeah, I guess I'll be doing an updated one in a few months now.
Where's the lock?
This bag is really cute, and the inside of it is very nice and spacious. It's that velvet lining. It's so nice. And I'm living for this like white cream egg color almost.
Love that white on there.
This bag is just beautiful. Perfect, beautiful, I love it. Alright, so next up we're gonna go into this one. We actually already opened this because I didn't even know that this was a Louis Vuitton package. So I was like, what is this? And then I opened it. So this one's not gonna be like a full unboxing.
Oh my gosh.
Dun, da, da, da.
What are the coolest?
So this is the Kirigami pochette. I got the colored one in my Spring in the City Louis Vuitton unboxing. So this is the Kirigami. So obviously it comes with 3 parts. So you got 1, 2, and you got a smaller one here. These typically come out with collections, but this is just like the classic monogram canvas. And these are great collectible items if you love different collections and different prints. These are great. So this one technically fits a tablet. This middle one can fit a passport, and then this little one can fit cards and coins. But also you could use this for makeup brushes and just get really creative with these. These are really great pieces to have in your collection and just like a great kind of starter, I guess, for really anyone, because there's a lot of uses out of this Kirigami.
Receipts.
Yeah, you can put receipts in this and just kind of, I don't know. There's just a lot of different ways that I would use it. Like, you know, you can put lip glosses in one of them. You can wear this going out like as just like a little purse. So
you could even, would a driver's license fit in this if you just
you can put like your driver's license, little cards, coins. So, and they're all different colored interiors like this. Gorgeous. Love these a lot. And like I said, they're really fun with different collections because the Spring in the City collection has like that pastel, and then it has like the darker one, and then it has the khaki one that I got.
Love it. Beautiful.
So let's see what this next one is. Ooh. I'm thinking I possibly know what this one is. Maybe, but I also forget half the stuff, so I don't really know. Oh, okay, this is not what I thought it was. It's another one of these little purses because we did get this one and a matching one. You guys just saw this unboxing, but this one is just gorgeous. This one's mine, and it's so weird. Mine already came with this on it. The keys and stuff are inside, and so is the strap, but mine already came with this little thing on it as well. Love it. So cute. Perfect for my collection.
Yes, it is.
I'm really getting out there with all my prints. I'm really excited. All right, let's go for a big one because we have only 3 left. There's 2 that are this size, really big ones, and I know both of the items, but I don't know which one is in each one, so I'm just gonna tear away. Halfway. Oh. This one is big.
It's a big one.
Ooh, we're gonna do this one together again.
All right, I'm closing my eyes on this one. I have no clue. What is this one?
Tatiana.
Oh, it's big. Bella, you got that. Oh my gosh, that is the cutest.
A backpack. How adorable. This fits an iPad, I think. Here, I have my iPad right here. Let's do a little, let's test it.
How cool is this?
Definitely needed a new backpack.
Yes, you did.
Here's the true tell.
We've been wondering.
Does it fit?
Oh my
Oh
gosh.
my gosh, and my computer's right there.
You gonna put both of them in there?
No, not at the same time. Oh my god, this is very cute. This is like the bigger version of the mini Palm Springs backpack.
But this one's like super practical.
This is the PM, I think, or
Is there a bigger one? I wouldn't want a bigger one. That's plenty.
that's like the perfect backpack
If you think
size.
about it, how do you do this? Like this?
Yeah, but be careful pulling on the straps. See, like this you wouldn't want to pack with too much stuff,
No.
but this is perfect just for like a book, an iPad,
Or-
little things, or like an overnight
Or
bag.
if you're going to Disney, you can put like sunscreen, sunglasses.
Yeah, this is a little big for that, I would say. I would get like the little Palm Springs
For the
one.
other one, you
Mhm.
think? Okay.
Yeah, but I do love
this. This is beautiful, and I think the computer will fit too.
Let's try it.
Alright.
My computer, I think, is like the big size, so we'll see.
We'll take this one out because you would never put them both
No.
together.
Here we go. It fit.
Oh, look at that.
It fit. Okay, so here's the front compartment, and then when you open it, it actually has a full-on back compartment right back here to where you can stick something else. Like you can stick your iPad in this and keep it in there.
Chargers.
And then, yeah, chargers, and then you just got the really big open space in the middle. You've got the really, really, really nice, like, I don't even know what you call this, just like really nice padded straps, and then you can adjust it down here, how low or how you want it on your body. This is just a really great backpack, and like I said, you don't want to, put too much in it just because you just don't want to pile this up with stuff, but it's good for a few items and just to kind of get going. I love this.
I love the black on it.
I love the mix of black and brown on Louis bags. Like
Same.
this is just gorgeous.
Beautiful.
Love it.
Great.
I love it. Okay, so this is the Palm Springs MM.
Okay.
I think they have a PM possibly, and I know they have the mini.
Mini.
I have the mini. I just broke the zipper a few years back, so I can't really use it. All right, so we're gonna open now. I have no idea what's in this one. This one's like a medium size, I guess you could say. Oh, I know what this is. I know what this is. I know what this is. Long story short, I went to the Louis Vuitton before I came to visit my parents. I'm at my parents' house right now, and there was a lot of stuff I couldn't physically carry to my car, so Heba shipped my mom everything that was purchased from the store. So this stuff, like I've seen, I picked it out for her.
This one is
This
definitely.
one's like not. I'm using scissors.
Careful. You scare me with scissors and
Knives.
knives. Oh my
Yeah,
gosh,
there's this
Bella.
thing where I literally, every time I use a knife, I slice my
So
finger.
scare me. pretty bad.
So it's just really like, I get a lot of anxiety using knives now because I'm scared I'm gonna slice myself. Woo, we got it. All right.
Louis, oh. Good things come in tiny packages.
It's true.
Don't ever forget that.
True.
Ooh. What is this?
Happy Mother's Day.
Oh my goodness.
So cute.
So cute. It's a tiny
I love
wallet.
this little wallet.
Yes, because mine's bigger, which I love.
Mhm.
Sometimes I need a tiny one. Look at this.
This one's really cute. So it's got the
Love it.
black and printed. I think this is leather. It's just really cute.
And that will
Nice
go
and
with-
simple. It's not too loud at all. It's just a simple wallet.
And it'll go with every Louis.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Cute.
Love it.
Let's see. Okay, this one pulls out of the side.
Do I know?
You will know when you open it.
I have this thing where I want to close my eyes and be surprised.
Okay, well close your eyes. I'm gonna open it for you.
Okay.
Okay, I'm just putting an accessory on it. All right guys, here this one is.
Am I gonna be surprised?
Yes,
Are
ready?
you gonna love it?
1, 2, 3.
Oh my gosh, look at this handle.
I know.
I love
So there's a lot of cool things. Look at the interior. It's this beautiful like magenta. But when you open it, it also has this strap. So you don't have to carry this really loud one. If you want this to be like a more simple bag, you
So
carry the little one.
over your shoulder.
Yeah. But it just makes it
Oh
classic
my
LV.
goodness. So this is like
An actual
casual,
sporty.
and this is like, let's go out for dinner.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, it's so cute.
Yes, it is.
I love the color on the straps though.
Yeah, this one's
Okay,
really
so
cute.
one side is like this, and the other side is just
Why
that.
does it smell weird? Are you smelling that?
Because it's leather.
Okay.
Honey.
No, this is canvas. But the leather, oh, it
That's
has
leather.
leather on it.
I mean-
Okay, no wonder. Yep.
Oh my gosh, it smells so good.
Is it?
Let me smell. Take a deep one.
It's kind of giving like seafood.
Seafood.
Kind of smells like seafood.
I think your nose.
My nose is messed up. But yeah, this bag basically comes with 2 straps.
I could see where you think that.
It smells like
But
seafood.
hey, it's
leather.
leather.
It's canvas with leather. And then it's got a really big pocket on the inside. Look at that. Amazing.
Wait, what would you put back here? Like your phone when you're walking around?
Yeah, you put your phone back here when you're walking around, a lip gloss, something really easy and accessible.
Yeah. This is so cute.
Love it.
Good for every day.
I know this last one is back here. Woo!
So happy that we can share stuff.
I know. We love sharing stuff, you guys. It's amazing. Ah, this is definitely the heaviest one. Oh my gosh. Oh, switch her around. Oh my gosh. What is this?
Oh my god.
Wait, what? I'm really actually confused. What is this?
that?
Oh my god, they sent the magazine! Ah! You guys? You guys. This is going on my coffee table.
Oh
This is going on
my
my coffee table.
goodness.
This is going on my coffee table. Ah!
Look at that
They sent
cover.
I didn't even pay for this, you guys. They just sent me a magazine.
Oh, look how cute that little one is.
Oh,
Oh, look, now he's a big boy.
Oh my gosh, you guys know how I feel about designer books. I'm literally obsessed with them. Oh my gosh, the Vivienne. Oh my god, I love Vivienne. Oh. Okay, so I've explained this in a few videos before. I don't like designer just for the bags because they're showy and whatnot. I love them for this reason. The details behind it, what is the purpose, the thought process, the design process that goes into it. That's why I love it so much. It's not for any reason of being materialistic or anything like that. It's solely because I'm truly in love with the backstories of fashion.
Same.
That is so cute.
Louis has a great story.
The Louis Vuitton story is gorgeous.
Yeah, if you guys haven't read about it, you need to. It's just pretty incredible how it started.
To use this on my coffee table. Like they really sent this. Like I feel like a high profile client
Sure,
right
that's
now.
like special.
That doesn't come with all packages. All right, let's flip it. Ah! This is so big. Oh my gosh. All right, so this is your bag, dedicated to you. And the story behind this bag, it is a part of a new collection, Spring in the City, and it kept going in and out of stock online for like a solid 10 minutes. I physically could not get my hands on it, and then for 1 second I got off my Wi-Fi, on my data, and it just appeared. So I instantly was like, oh my gosh. And it's continued to be out of stock since then, so. I'm like more excited about this magazine than I am like the actual bag.
That's
Like,
so cool.
this is like my favorite thing from this haul. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to see it. Ah! Oh,
This is
you're done. Oh,
unbelievably
my
breathtaking.
gorgeous.
Oh my gosh, look at the purple.
Oh my god, the inside.
It's huge.
This is perfect for you. So this is the on-the-go bag. This is the GM. It's the biggest size they have. And this is the new Spring in the City collection. This is the Sunset Pastel, I think, or something like that, or Sunrise Pastel.
I love it because it's structured.
Yeah, that's my favorite thing about the on-the-go bags, how structured
When you
they
put
are.
your stuff in it, it's not like all over the place and you don't have to like do all this digging.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that is beautiful.
So I actually just unboxed the Papillion BB and the other videos. If you guys want to see this print in a different bag, it's in that video. This bag is just
gorgeous.
Absolutely beautiful. It's made really well too. Love all the hardware. The on-the-go bag, there's something about them that is just beautiful.
And you can just wipe it down.
Yeah.
That's what's so beautiful.
Well, be careful.
Well, yeah, you don't put chemicals on it.
But here is a little bit of an up close.
Love it.
More up close action. It's so pretty. Love it.
Gosh, I don't know. I love it so much.
I love it too.
Where would I carry it?
Traveling, airports is good.
Okay.
I mean, you carry a lot of stuff on a daily basis.
Yeah.
This fits literally more than a never full. This is the GM.
And it stays in place.
Yep.
It's just so cool. I love it.
Oh yeah, the inside. I don't know if I showed you guys. Look at the cool insides. Okay guys, she wants to hold her bag for the end of the video because she really loves it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and of course, this is never a video to brag or anything. I'm truly just showing you guys the new fashion pieces that have just recently launched, and then also previous ones that have launched that I just decided to buy. But as like I said before, I'm gonna have everything linked down below and all the details to each item that was purchased in this video. And if you guys wanna see past ones, then go watch those. I'll link literally every single one down below, and the playlist, my designer playlist, and also future ones, which I'm so excited. I love you guys so much, and I'm trying to think, what is my motivation of the day? Do you have any motivation?
I do. Just love yourself.
Okay.
Love yourself.
Sounds cliche.
It does. It sounds very cliche, but I've learned that if you don't love yourself and take care of yourself, then it's hard to take care of others and to love others the way they need to be loved.
And that goes for taking care of yourself mentally, physically, spiritually, emotionally, all of the leaves. Make sure you do all of that, because it also goes into the fact that you can't love someone else unless you love yourself. So make sure you prioritize yourself. You're the main character. If you want to know how to be the main character, I just posted a 5 a.m. morning routine, and I also just posted a video on how I changed my life, which I will link down below. We love you guys so much, and we'll see you guys in our very next video. We have a few other videos coming up actually in May that I just planned out. We have maybe another haul of this nature and maybe a little shopping video. So if you guys wanna, she doesn't even know about this, but if you guys want to stay tuned for more little T, big T content, then stay tuned. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys very soon. Bye. Bye guys.